In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger messages requests not showing. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. On this page right here, this is the apps manager. As you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone right here. Scroll down until you find Messenger and click on it. After that, click on force stop and then go into the data usage right here and make sure to disable the background data and enable all those three options here. Go back and now go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 6 seconds and disable it, and then open the Play Store, search for Messenger, update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.